What's up, Internet? Senior Whoopi here, back with another unboxing. And today, you already know, I already know, we got some Pumas. So let's go ahead and open this box up. I'm not exactly sure on what the name is, so we'll double check that as soon as we get into the box. Ooh, oh cool, it's the green box. All right. Now, I have quite a selection of sneakers at my house. I have one other pair of Pumas. I bought them at like a Beatty's shoe store. If you know what that is, then you know it's kind of like a used sneaker store. It's kind of like a Ross, give or take. They were like some nicer high top Pumas, but they didn't come with a box. They were like 30 bucks. These were also like 30 bucks, and they came with a nice Puma box. All right. I love this box. Oh, that's so cool. It's like white with a green stripe on one side, green with a white stripe on top. Let's see, what does it say on here? Puma Basket Classics. Okay. Basket Classic Patent Emboss Red Blast. Ooh. They are size 11. That's my size. Ooh. Oh. We've got a unique little StockX. Oh, this must be the new 2019 thing. Welcome. You now, God damn it. By now, you already know how StockX is the live marketplace for sneakers, streetwears, collectibles, handbags, and watches. But we're about so much more than that. StockX is about access. Whether it's the latest sneaker drop you missed out or that Gucci bag you've always wanted, StockX always has everything available and 100% authentic. Plus, with StockX, you'll always pay a fair price, the true market value. So thank you for buying on StockX and for being part of this incredible community. Scott Cutler, CEO of StockX. Printed on recyclable paper. There's a picture of some Rolexes. If you didn't know, StockX also handles Rolexes, bags. They now do cards. I've seen Pokemon cards on StockX, as well as like basketball cards and things like that. So we got the Puma Basket Classic Patent Embossed Red Blast. These were $36 or $39.95 shipped. I got 10 bucks off of them with the Black Friday deal. So that's not bad. Whoa. Oh, the camera is not going to be able to pick up how red these are. Whoa. Oh, wow. I'm stunned. These are awesome. These are so cool. This is my favorite thing when sometimes you get stuff from StockX and it's like, this came from the back room of somebody's sneaker store. These have not been tried on. They've not been worn by anybody else. The paper's in perfect condition. It's not been damaged. The box is in actually pretty good condition. I've gotten some others that were in worse condition. Looks like they've got a little bit of wear. These are from like an older set though. I wonder if it says what year it's from. I don't think it does. I think these are from a few years ago. But, oh, check out the bottom. Bottom has like a sizing chart, so you can help people determine what size they are. But that's the most information you get on like the bottom of boxes. Let me just hold up these pair of Adidas. Look what's on the bottom. Nothing. Let me just hold up this pair of Nikes. Look what's on the box. Almost nothing on the bottom. Just stuff about their advertisements. Whereas like Puma leaves it all down here at the bottom, but there's also like informational. Like how cool is that? How many sneaker boxes out there are trying to teach you something? So we've got these Pumas. Whoa, that's cool. On the back, look, it's got the little Puma tiger embossed inside on this leather. I don't even know what this is. It's kind of like a patent leather, but no, it's definitely patent leather, but is it real leather? I don't know. The camera is not going to be able to focus on this. This is a horrible unboxing video. I'm so sorry. But this is awesome. It says the upper is actual leather. Okay. I'm not vegan. I could be though. I'm getting there. If you want me to be vegan, leave it in the comments below. I doubt many people really want anybody to be vegan. Oh, there's something on the shoelaces. Get off there. Oh no. It's like a little black something or other right there. Gotta get that off. Alright, anyway. Let's pull out the paper here. They come with these not so matching laces. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but these laces are kind of pink. The shoe is red. It's like an orangey red though. Let's see if they fit. These do have a traditional tongue, which is nice. Let's see if this fits on my foot. Ooh, they are kind of stiff, but damn, they look good. Alright, I'll do with these what I did with the Adidas. If you watched that video, I like put them on and walked around in them for a second, and I pointed the camera down at them. So we'll do that real quick so you can kind of see what they look like on feet. And I will put a link to the StockX page where I purchased these in the description. And this video is not sponsored by StockX, but hey, StockX, if you're watching this, I'm ready for my sponsorship. Ooh. All right. Ooh, so prepare yourself if you've got vertigo. I'm lifting the camera, moving it around. Step around all this like cardboard and boxes. Ooh, they're a little stiff. Oh, my mom's reaction. She's seeing them for the first time. They're gonna look good on like a date maybe. Or if I go to the bar and I'm trying to meet somebody. These shoes will have a statement for sure. That tongue is so stiff. But I'm sure once I get them broke in, they'll be nice and comfortable. They look kind of funky with these black pants. Maybe they look better with blue jeans. Oh God, they're not nearly as comfortable as the Ultra Boosts. But they are nice, and for $40, I mean, I've paid more for less in the past, so I feel like I got a good deal. So, Jesus Christ. Oh God, this was my second to last box to unbox here. I've got one more box which has nothing to do with sneakers. It actually has something to do with art. So if you like art, you know, art is what you interpret it to be. Stick around, definitely subscribe for the next video, and I'll show you guys all the garbage on the floors around me. I've been unboxing stuff for about 30 minutes now, and this is the next box. Oh God, it's heavy. Oh God. And can't tell you what's in it, but there is this on the side, and some of you might know what it is. So if you know what this is, definitely subscribe and stay tuned for next video's unboxing, which I will be opening this box in the next video. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and favorite. Go out there, find you some deals on sneakers, and buy something you like. And these were on my wish list. They had been there for a minute. Considering my StockX wish list probably has about 500 items on it, it was easy come Black Friday to find something affordable that I could purchase. I didn't spend like the $600 I did last year. I probably spent maybe like $200. So I'm moving in the right direction. With 3 purchases, that's not that bad. But I didn't win anything crazy. Like last year, I won this StockX hat. Again, this video is not sponsored by StockX, but I like this hat. I wear it a lot. But yeah, I took the sticker off the top and put it on the bottom. And a lot of people are like, why do you do that? It's because I grab my hat like this, and that'll help keep the the hat clean, maybe? I don't know. I don't know. It's whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Ta-ra.